Hi, my DJ viewers. Welcome to Parque El Olivar in San Isidro, Peru.
Ah, look at the koi. Yeah,
So this one is for olive oil production. This is the olive park.
olive one tree.
Huh?
Olive tree.
Ito ba olive?
Ito. Yeah.
Yeah, these are all olive trees.
Oliva.
Everywhere, only now in the circle. The circles are the root of the olive. Okay? Also, these grapes were brought by Spaniards, and the main producer of olives in Peru is not Lima, it's Ica, south of Peru, south of Lima. I'm going to show you one picture of Ica. For example, no? This is one of the pictures of Ica where you can see a lot of grapes plants. And they were brought for wine, but in Peru we created that.
This is an olive tree.
And we're using this machine made of bronze in high heat, the fermented grapes. We have the distillation that we call pisco. To be considered Peruvian pisco is between 38 to 48 degrees. To prepare the famous pisco sour. Did you try it?
No,
It's
I
no.
We never tried
We're
it.
gonna try it.
Good?
You will.
By the way, why is there an extra virgin and then virgin? There are different classes.
Virgin?
Yeah, extra virgin oil and then virgin, like
Oil.
the oil,
Ah,
the olive oil.
Oh, the olive oil, the oliva.
Virgen y extra virgen.
No
I'm
problem.
not sure about that one.
Uh-huh.
But I'm going to look for
Mhm.
to look up to them, okay?
Okay.
Ahora también tomas esto, estás cogiendo
Pasamos caminando.
Look at the olive trees. Happy, where are you? Oh, Virgin Maria. It's another olive tree.
Wala ko yung mukha. Ito, alam ko siya. I bet you people live over here, they fell out.
Yeah, it's a nice place. I wonder how many olive trees are here.
Olive trees.
Where are
There
they?
are over 1,700 olive trees.
Olive
Do they have fruits?
Yeah, you can
You will
see.
see.
Right there, you see?
Everywhere.
Black olives right there.
Where?
Ayo! Right there.
But I don't recommend to taste it because it's bitter.
Oh, bitter.
You need to put in salad water, no, for hours
Yeah.
to eat.
It's a process.
Yeah.
And there are black olives, right?
Black olives.
Green
Black
olives.
Green olives.
Before pandemic, it was usual to find groups of bird watchers in this area, spending 1-2 hours trying to take a specific photo.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Blue line in the eye, around the eye.
Birds.
Don't you know when the one comes from the
Yeah, these are all the birds that fly here.
Ano na?
There's a park here. A lot of olive trees here. Citro.
Hay en gris, hay en amarillo y en rojo. De acuerdo a la
We are here in Barranco Park. Barranco. This is the park. They said this is like a bohemian park. You know, yung park ba? What happened to that building?
Ano ba to?
Barranco Park.
What happened to the roof?
Yeah, it was damaged by an earthquake.
Oh,
Today
really?
we don't use anymore that church.
Oh,
Actually,
is that a
was
church?
The first building of Barranco.
Barranco.
Aha.
Gallinas
Ay, collapse.
carro. Those words are construction desde el adobe igual. 340 is adobe again. The
Adobe.
archaeological site, right? Plus bamboo. But in 1940,
That one was
damaged.
destroyed by earthquake.
We don't use it. Sometimes for movies, for video clips, that's all. But this is the house of this black vultures, you can see.
Yeah.
Esta es la
Those
casa
are
del-
black
del
vultures.
Ya no usamos más esta iglesia, un terremoto la dañó tanto que ya no se puede utilizar más, las bases están muy debilitadas, pero in this moment it's a little bit foggy. Because they don't want to work.
Hindi ka na ba?
Y también es una zona de los
Pacific Ocean.
que le llaman los vagos.
This is the Barranco.
Islas de los pescados para que puedan comer. Y están todo el tiempo ahí esperando. Mínimo de pescado.
Claro.
Pescadores. Cuando tú lo ves,
You can see
eso
that
sale en
cross
esta
over
gran
there.
cruz desde donde
This
tú
was
estés lo vas a
made.
ver.
Allá en Chile también hay una de esas en Coquimbo, para el norte,
That is
casi
a
llegar a
cross
La
that
Serena.
you can
¿Cómo se
really
llama
see
la cruz
because
de-
of the fire.
del tercer milenio?
Wow.
¿Es
Esa
igual
le
a esa?
llamamos la cruz del Papa.
William,
hacemos-
what area is that one?
Chorrillos,
Chorrillos.
CHORRILLOS.
Okay.
Chorrillos.
So that's dedicated to St. John Paul.
Vaya a entrar ahí.
Yeah, maybe I pronounce.
Tómame.